Gopala, and I'm a 2006 graduate from B.Tech background and from Hyderabad College. And I have joined Jspiders as an introduction student in the month of December. And in these 6 months, I have learned various technologies like SQL, web technologies, as well as Java. And the trainers have taught me already in their way of explaining, the way of taking like making sure that every student gets the idea about the topic, and the way of they taking mock interviews as well as presentations, and making sure that they give us feedback which helped me to learn better in the technologies. And in that way, I completed this 6 months, and I have successfully cracked the software engineer. This journey in the Jspiders helped me a lot, and and I would recommend that to the students who are looking for the getting their journey start in the IT industry. I would really suggest Jspiders.